3, 2, 1. Good morning, y'all. It's your boy, Xantavius, man. I woke up this morning and try to fix this mic. I woke up this morning. Right now, it's currently 4:50. You can see. I woke up this morning at like 3:30. Well, I must be honest. After I made that video for the people in my hometown yesterday, it's been hard to not think of how much of a change we really can bring to Carroll County. So I wanted to be quick on this endeavor to embrace these young men while I got their attention, while I got their parents' attention. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not here for entertainment. I'm speaking to a generation that is lost in identity. You know what I'm saying? And drowned in distractions and starving for direction. That's who I'm here for. These young brothers who looking for outside sources to get a better understanding of who they are. And the longer that I continue to wait to get them what they need, the longer it'll take for them to start changing. The more that peer pressure comes, the more they forget about themselves. So I think it's imperative. And this channel will exist for like young people who feel like they're doing everything they're supposed to do, but still feel unsure about who they are or where they think they're going. And you can even be an adult watching this. You can even be an adult watching this channel as well. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to run this channel exactly, but if it's meant to be, it's going to be, and it's been one of them things. And you can scroll on my channel and watch some other videos and you will see that, I've been telling myself, like, I don't know why I don't speak out to the masses. I don't know why I don't let everybody see this side of me, and that's why I wanted to take it more serious. So I bought a podcast set up. I got other things going on to like where I can take this serious, and there's no more need to be playing. Like we can actually do this for real. We gonna do this for real. Because every day kids are being shaped by social media, music, opinions that don't matter, and so many other things. And we can help slowly start to rechange that when you got brothers like myself, pouring knowledge and pouring energy and pouring skills and different ideologies into these kids. And then when they get home, their parents doing the same thing. And especially when like us as Carroll County, when we start respecting this new way of going about business, bro, the kids' mind gonna change, because what we once accepted will no longer be accepted. It won't be tolerated. The ignorant behavior, all that, it will not be tolerated. We done lost too many people behind this. We done lost too many loved ones. Let's come together in unity. And I can't speak too much because then the show will be pointless. When y'all come and y'all see me in person, it'll be pointless. But let's come together, man. It's time. It's time for us to come together now. It's time for us to put all differences to the side and come together and start to love each other, like truly love each other, and build that community again. Build that community. In the video I spoke about, like, even with the kids I mentor, right? Some of those kids, those children, they have a hard time reading or have a hard time doing algebra, right? Well, when you got a community, you can go up the street to Miss Graham's house and she can teach you how to read. And then my mom may be better at algebra, right? Well, your son could come to my house and my mom can teach him algebra. That's what community is. That's what community is. So let's get back to that community, man. Let's truly start loving each other again and stop saying all the differences. And you want me to tell you something I noticed yesterday? I was on Facebook and nobody posted. Nobody posted. It's like everybody paying attention. Let's continue this. Let's continue this, family. Like, let's continue to grow and let's continue to prosper together, though. We can start running events and things of that nature, like where we really bringing these kids together and we settling differences. Like, let's start that. Let's put the guns down And let's put the crowns up. Guns down and crowns on. Let's do that. That's what I'm looking forward to. Man, I know a lot of y'all know me from when I was young, and I know a lot of y'all, and I know a lot of y'all kids. So like seeing a lot of these situations that these young brothers got to go through is hurting me because I know these brothers, and if I don't know them personally, I know that they're big brothers, and I know that their big brothers was failed, and I know that when you're a big brother, you have young siblings looking up to you. And so if we don't take care of ourselves, our siblings will do the same thing. They'll start falling off the edge of the cliff. So let's change, big brothers. If you're a big brother, man, come tap in with me. Come get in with me, brother. Even if you're older than me, I promise you. Just come speak to me and we can start talking about how you can be a better you can be a big better you can be a better big brother. And this is how y'all know this is raw, bro. I did have my key pointers though, because if you was on the live, you know I lose everything. But on this channel though, we're gonna talk about confidence. We're gonna talk about discipline, self-respect, and purpose, man. Motivation, everything, bro. We're gonna talk about everything across this channel. You know, I'm not gonna forever just post on YouTube. I mean, my Facebook, because like, you know what I'm saying? That's Facebook. I want y'all to come here. And eventually I want to build a site, a podcast site where y'all can come and y'all can come listen to me and hear me speak and truly feel touched by the words that I have to say. And I think it's imperative for us to start building today because tomorrow not promised. So that's why I want to do this podcast. If I'm not able to be there physically with your child yet, allow them to watch this podcast. Put this on when you're on the way to class. When you're on the way to work. I can continue to wake up early. I will wake up early every day. Like it's 4:57. I promise you, I will wake up every single day. Put these videos together. And I'm not gonna edit them. I'm just gonna put the sounds together because I'm recording on my podcast, and I gotta implement the sound, integrate the sound until the video. But I can just post these, and y'all can just play these in a car, and I have different messages for your kid, for you. I can pour into you as you pour into yourself by watching this video, and we can really start changing as a collective. And then when people think of Carroll County people, they think of people who's actually uplifting and love each other. We can be the first community to actually bring community back, if that makes sense. We living amongst each other, but we not helping each other. It's every man for himself. Back in the day, you ain't have to go get milk or something like that. If Miss Sally had it, you could have got milk from Miss Sally. And then, you know, when Miss Sally needs something, you get her right. Let's get back to those days. Carroll County, let's get back to those days. Seriously. Okay, but this is my last thing. This is also a build up to like what's coming next. You know, if we can win the moment, then when the event comes, the kids are going to be more inclined to what I have to say rather than me just popping up and they like, okay, who is this? You start getting them used to me. If you really want change for your son, start getting him used to me speaking to him, speaking life into him. Because I tell you one thing, like humbly speaking, when a child is touched by me, it do something different to his behavior. The way he start acting changes quickly. I don't know what it is. Like, I still don't know. You know, so if you're a parent, subscribe and share this with your kids. And if you're a young person watching, this space is for you. This isn't entertainment. This is preparation, man. So, FRM, a mindset built on 3 things: discipline, consistency, and purpose. Thank y'all for watching this video. I love y'all so much. And if you're watching this video, man, it's your first time on the channel, make sure you say, I just subscribed, or say hashtag FRM. And then I'm going to know we got some new subscribers and we're really ready to create this change.